Hello, good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about, we have already discussed about introduction to nuclear physics. We have, let's go into the representation of nuclei, how chemical symbol, how we will represent various parts of the nucleus in a symbolic way. So let's get into it. Nuclear representation, how we can represent the nucleide. My name is Ratan Kumar, and I had an MS and MTech from University of Hyderabad. I have 10 years of experience in teaching physics. Now, the nuclear composition, ఒక న్యూక్లియస్ లో ఎట్లా చూపిస్తాం మనం? We have almost 105 type of elements people have discovered. To represent a nucleus, we have a symbol. What is the symbol? AXZ. A means mass number. It gives number of nucleons. What is nucleon? Nucleons means number of protons and number of neutrons, both combined. Nucleus. What are the particles inside the nucleus are called nucleons. So what are the particles inside the nucleus? Protons and neutrons. And the X is the chemical symbol. Suppose if you take oxygen, if you take hydrogen, nitrogen, anything, that is the chemical symbol NOCl, like that. If you take nitrogen, what is its chemical symbol? N. If you take oxygen, what is its chemical symbol? O. So like that. So next Z. Z means atomic number. It gives the number of protons or number of electrons in an atom, because we will have equal number of protons and electrons to become an atom, become a neutral. So now let's take one example. Let's take chlorine. This is 35 and 17 chlorine. So it is represented by the chemical symbol Cl, and its mass number is 35 and its atomic number is 17. So 35 indicates number of protons and neutrons, that is nucleons inside a nucleus. And Cl represent chemical symbol of an element, and 17 represent number of protons or electrons in it. So this is the way of representing a nuclide. So let's show more elaborate way. Let's see. Suppose I have hydrogen. Hydrogen contains one proton and one electron. So hydrogen is represented by H11. So what does it mean? Indicates one indicates it is similar to XAZ. So A one indicates what? A means what? Mass number. So it contains a number of nucleons 1. That means it contains one proton. Okay, now this one represent number of Z. Z means what? So Z equal to 1. This equal to number of proton, number of electrons or protons. Electrons or protons. So, so hydrogen basically contains one proton inside it and beside one electron. That is what the symbol. So atomic number Z is atomic number, A is the mass number. So if you want number of neutrons, number of neutrons can be get by A minus Z. So A minus Z means here one proton, one electron, so 0 number of neutrons are there. So number of neutrons can be get by A minus Z. Okay. So now let's take another one. Let's take oxygen 8 and 16. So now you can see A equal to 16 and Z equal to 8. And so this is again number of protons. Number of protons or electrons are 8. This is a protons plus neutrons. That is called nucleons. How many number of nucleons are there? 16. So what is the number of protons? The number of neutrons can be given by A minus Z. This is equal to 16 minus 8 equal to 8 neutrons. Okay, this is how the representation of the every nuclide. So sometimes a nucleus contains more number of neutrons. Suppose if you take hydrogen, It may contain another neutron. So then we will discuss it about it. So it can contain neutron also. So then it is number is H1, 2. It may contain one more neutron. Then it will becomes H1, 3. So this is called deuterium, and this is called tritium, which we will discuss it later. These are all called isotopes. Okay, so this about this symbol representation of a representation. So this is about a symbolic representation. So this is very important because based on this one, we can represent every nuclide, and also we discuss about later about reactions, nuclear reactions. For this symbol is very important. So be thorough with this symbol, and thank you very